Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, Raghavendra sir, you can start the session.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So good afternoon, students. Let us start the session. Let me share my screen first. So today we'll see how to download JDK, how to install it, and how to write Java program. Okay. So you also can install JDK software on your computer. I'll guide you through the process. So JDK is Java software. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. We are going to download and use this software today. So is my screen visible to all of you? If yes, please message me yes. Any message? Okay. So today we are going to learn what? JDK. So it stands for what? Java Development Kit. What exactly JDK is? It is a software development kit used by Java developers to develop and run their programs. Okay, just like doctors use medical kit, which will be having various tools like a stethoscope, syringe, thermometer, etc. Okay, Java developers use Java Development Kit. It contains various Java software tools. It has software tools such as Java compiler, okay, Java interpreter, okay, JRE, something called as Java runtime environment, Java doc, and many more tools it has. So mainly we need Java compiler to compile our Java source code, and then we need Java interpreter to run our compiled Java programs. Overall, we can say that JDK is your actual Java software which need to be downloaded and installed on your machine. Java is open source and free software also. So it can be downloaded free of cost from internet, and we can use it for even production purpose. Need not pay any money. It's open source as well as free software. So let's see how to download JDK software, Java software. So I'll show you from where it can be downloaded. Parallelly, you also can develop it. You also can download it. Any problems, I'll be there to help you out. Okay. So you can go along with me. Let us do it parallelly. Open browser. Okay. I opened my Google Chrome window. I hope it is visible to you. And just search for JDK download. This is the search string. You can see it, right? JDK download. You have to type it. JDK space download. Press enter key. Then it will show the screen. Okay, you can see the first link belongs to Oracle company. Oracle is the company which takes care of Java. Now Java should be downloaded from the same website. Okay, we just go to the first link, Java downloads link. Okay, just click on the link. Okay, I clicked on the link. Now can you see here various versions of Java are listed. The first one is Java 22. It is the latest version of Java. 21, the previous version, and 17 also available. Okay, we are going to download the latest version of Java software itself. Latest version of Java software we are going to download. Okay, you're able to follow it? Any problems? Any problems, please let me know. Okay, now here You can see Linux is displayed, and there is a tab called Mac OS, and there is one more option called Windows. Windows users can download JDK software by clicking on this link. Let me click on this Windows hyperlink. I clicked on it. Now here you can see various options are there. We go for this one, x64 installer. So it means Java software for 64-bit architecture, 64-bit CPU architecture. So this is the one I'm going to use. And you can see here, right? Download link is present. You have to just click on this link. So let me click on the link so that my software gets downloaded. This software is for Windows operating system with 64-bit CPU. Windows 64-bit CPU. So previously they used to release Java software for 32-bit CPU architectures also, but 32-bit CPU architecture is deprecated. It is like it's gone. Okay, that's why they release it only for 64-bit CPU architecture. Let me click on this link and download the Java software. Okay, I clicked on it, so it is getting downloaded. Parallelly, you also can download it. Any doubts, you can let me know. Okay, my software is downloaded. How about you? Are you still downloading? Any progress? Any doubts? Any queries? You can communicate, no problem. Please do not feel hesitated. You can ask me doubts, no problem. So are you downloading the software? I would like to take you along with me. Let us install the JDK software parallelly. Let us use it together at a time. Any problems? I'm there to help you out. Without any hesitation, you can ask me your queries. I'm there to help you out. Are you doing it? Any doubts? Any questions? Did you download? Is it going on? Okay, let us see how to install the JDK software. My software is downloaded. It's here. You can see it. This is the software. JDK 22 Windows 64-bit. JDK 22 Windows 64-bit. It is installer file. It is exe file. If I double click on this icon, installation will be started. And there is one copy here also. Okay, so I can use any of the copies. Let me click on this copy itself. Just double click on this installer file. You also can do the same thing. Double click on the installer file. Okay, so here it is asking me for pin. This is company laptop, that's why it will ask for pin. In your case, it will not be asking. Now see this, the installation process is started. It is asking, it is giving the message like, welcome to installation wizard for Java SC development kit. SC means standard edition. Okay, standard edition. Java comes in 3 editions. First is Java standard edition. Second one, Java enterprise edition. Third one, Java micro edition. Okay, Java standard edition, the one which we are installing now, is used for development of desktop applications, and it is used as a foundation for the J2W based applications, that is enterprise based high-end applications, you can say. Okay, so it is showing this welcome dialog box. Let me click on the next button to continue with the installation. You also can do the same thing. This is next button. Let us click on it. And here also there is next button. No problem. Just click on the next button. It is showing the location where the software will be installed. C drive, program files, JD Java, JDK 22. This is the folder location where my JDK software will get installed. I'm okay with it. It is going to install in C drive. I have space in C drive. I will install it, no problem. Let me click on this next button. It is installing the software. I hope it is visible to all of you. If it is not visible or any problem, please let me know. Okay. See, it is showing Java Standard Edition Development Kit 22.0 successfully installed. Easy process. It is very easy to download and install JDK software. The installation is done. So let me close this dialog box. I'll click on this close button. Okay, it is done. Java software is installed on my laptop. How about you? Anybody installed or is it in progress? Any problem? Any queries? Let me know. How many of you installed JDK software? Can you please message me? How many of you installed it? Okay, no message. Why? Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Any problem? Okay, now let us see where exactly the Java software is installed. Let's go and check it. I'll just minimize the screen. Without that also I can show it to you. I'll just go to C drive. This PC, C drive, program files is here, and here you'll get Java folder. Can you see this Java folder? Open it. JDK 22. Open it. Bin. Bin stands for binaries. Binaries means machine code files, exe files. Okay, open this bin folder. Here Java is installed. All our Java software tools can be found here. Let me show you some of the important tools to you. I just need to scroll down and check for the Java tools. Okay, can you see here the first one, Java C? So it is Java compiler. The name of Java compiler is Java C. And this Java compiler is developed in Java programming language itself. We need this Java compiler to compile Java source code to bytecode. As we studied yesterday, Java source code is always compiled to bytecode instructions. So that compilation is done by using this Java C tool. So every will be using this Java C tool. It's a Java compiler. Okay, in which language it is developed? Java language itself, it is developed. Okay, then there is one more software tool here. You can see Java. So it is called as Java Application Launcher. It is called as Java Application Launcher. When we call this tool, it is going to load GRE in the memory. Java runtime, it is going to load in the memory. Once GRE is loaded in the memory, we will be able to run our programs. So to compile the programs, we use Java C software tool. To run our compiled Java code, we use this Java tool, JAVA Java tool. So these two tools we will be using every day. Okay, and there are other software tools also. You can see here something called Java Doc is displayed here. Java Doc stands for Java Documentation Generator. And we use this Java Doc tool to generate API documentation. API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. See, once your project is completed, we'll be generating some API documentation. In that API documentation, you can easily find all the classes, means all the programs used to develop that project. So we'll be having information about all the programs used for developing that project. And it's called as API documentation. So that API documentation can be generated by using this Javadoc tool itself. Okay, so there are some more tools also, but for us as of now, Java compiler and Java tool, these two tools are more than enough. Okay, now let me copy the path from this address bar. Okay, this is the path. Can you see the address bar? So it is showing C drive, program files, Java, JDK22, bin. So click somewhere here and copy the path. The path is copied. The path where JDK software is installed is copied. Why I'm copying this path? Because I want to set my environment variable. Once environment variable is set, we'll be able to call this compiler. We'll be able to run our compiler, Java compiler and Java interpreter from the command prompt. So that's why I need to copy the path. I have copied it. How about you? You're also doing it? If yes, please copy the path. Okay. Now, what? Okay, I have a message here. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll tell you first, then we will be doing it. Okay, let me open Notepad. Uh, I'm going to set environmental variable called path. Variable called path. Got it right? So path is environment variable in Windows operating system. Path is environment variable in Windows operating system. So this environment variable should be pointing to the location wherever Java software is installed. If it is pointing to that location, it is possible for us to call our Java compiler, Java interpreter from the command prompt. So if we call, it will get executed. If it gets executed, it is possible for us to compile the code and even we can run it. So that's why path environment variable need to be set. We have to configure it. Okay, that's what we are going to do now. I copied the JDK path, right? So this is the path I copied. The path is with me. Okay, we will set it in environment variable. Let us do that. Let us set path environment variable. How to do that? This is Windows 11 machine. Here I'll be searching for environ. See, it is showing edit system environment variables. This is the option. Edit the system environment variables. Okay, click on this option. As it is company laptop, it will be asking me for the pin. I'll be entering it here. So you can see this box is opened here and you can see here environment variables button. Just click on this button. Okay, I clicked on the button. Now user variables are displayed here. System variables are displayed here. I'm going to configure system variable itself. Let us search for path environment variable. It is here. You can see path. Can you see here? Path, this is the one. Click on it. Now I'll click on this new button. Okay, I'll click on this edit button. It opened like this. Edit button is fine. Then click on this new option. Here, paste that path. The path is pasted. C drive, program files, Java, JDK, 22 bin. It's already set. It is already set. I have done it before also. Just for the sake of showing, I did it. Got it? You can see the second line. The path is set. The same path is set once again. We do not need redundancy. Unnecessary duplication is not required. I'm going to delete it. But in your case, you have to keep it. Okay. Click on this OK button. Then click on this OK button also. OK. Then here also OK button. Okay. So the path environment variable is set. Now please let me know anybody has doubt or if you are doing, are you facing any problem? You want me to repeat the steps so that you can see it once again and set it? If any such concerns, please let me know. Any doubt? Any queries? Any problem? Are you doing it with me? Okay, now let me open command prompt and check whether my path environment variable is properly set or not. Okay, so I'll just open command prompt, cmd command prompt. See, it is opened here. I'll just type path here, path path. So Java is shown. See here, C program files, Java, JDK22. Bin my path is there. My JDK is added to path environment variable, and because of that, I will be able to invoke my Java compiler and Java interpreter from this command prompt. So I can compile and run the programs from this command prompt. Let me show you how to call Java compiler like this. Java C. Java C is the name of the compiler, right? Just type Java C, hit the enter key. It will show the details of the compiler. Okay. So all the properties of compiler are shown here. Means it is working. Whatever path I set no, so it is successful. It is working. I'm able to invoke my Java compiler from the command prompt. Okay, let me clear the screen. CLS. I'll show you the version of Java compiler now. JAVAC dash dash version hyphen hyphen version. So Java C space hyphen hyphen version, enter. See, it is showing the version as 22.0.1. This is the version of my Java compiler. We are going to use this Java compiler today to compile the program's Java compiler. Now, Java version also we are going to see JAVA Java dash dash version, enter. See, the version of Java interpreter is also displayed. So what is the version? 22.0.1, same version. Okay, so the path is set properly. We can use our Java compiler and Java interpreter to run our programs. Now see here, see the use of these two commands. Sometimes they ask in interviews, how do you find out the version of Java compiler without looking at it in program files folder? Okay, the answer is this command. Which command should be used? Javac command. Javac space hyphen hyphen version. If you execute this command, you will be able to find out the version of Java compiler. Okay, you need not see anywhere. Just come to the command prompt. If the path is already configured, environment variable path is already configured, just run this command, javac space dash dash version. It will display the version of your Java compiler. The same way, you can find out the version of your Java interpreter also like this, Java space dash dash version. It will show the version of Java interpreter. Okay, how to clear the screen? CLS, right? The command is CLS. It is done. Got it right? Like this, we can install our JDK software, Java Development Kit software, configure the path environment variable, and verify whether the path has been set properly or not. We invoked our compiler, we invoked our Java application launcher, so it is working. So it is connected to command prompt. Now from this command prompt, I will be able to compile and run my Java programs. Okay, so before we write any simple Java program, okay, any problems? Anybody has any problem, any doubt? Are you installing the software? Our installation is over. What is the status? Anybody? Any queries you have, you can ask me. I hope you also install the software. Any update? Hmm? No message? Okay. Right. Now, let's see some simple Java program. I'll explain each and every part of the code to you because it's going to be our first Java program. You should understand each and every part, each and every word of the program. We will do that. Okay. Now, this is not required. I'll just delete it. Okay. I'll save my program somewhere. File. Okay. So I'll save it later only. Okay. I need to explain something to you. So I'll save it later itself. I'll increase the font size. What is the font size? 18 it is showing. That's more than enough, right? So bigger font is not required. Where is my notepad? Is it gone? No problem. I'll open it. Anybody has any question? Meanwhile, any question? Any queries? Okay, now let us write a simple Java program to display some message like welcome message or good afternoon message, something it has to display. Let us write such a simple Java code. Okay, let's start it. I'll put some comment here. So comments are not compiled. It is just a documentation. It will explain your code. So I'll write very simple comment here saying that first Java program. Enough. This much comment is enough. First Java program. Okay. Now we will be writing our code to display good afternoon message. How do we write it? Like this. See, we should write class keyword, class. See, Java is case sensitive programming language. Uppercase and lowercase both are different. Should be careful. Okay, wherever lowercase is required, you should write lowercase itself. Wherever uppercase is required, you should write uppercase itself. Otherwise, your code will not compile. The compiler will give you error. I'll tell you where to use capital letters and where to use small letters. So class, it's a keyword in Java. It is a built-in word in Java, predefined one, predefined word. It has its own meaning. The meaning is we are creating a class. To define a class, to create a class, this keyword has to be used. Okay, it should be written in small letters. Then we should give some class name. What name shall I give? Something like greetings. Greetings. The name is greetings, opening brace, and this is closing brace. Okay, let us see the class name. Greetings is my class name. So class name starts with capital letter. Yes, it is a convention followed by experienced professionals in big companies. Okay, so developers have to follow coding convention. If they follow coding convention, future maintenance will be very easy. So class name should always start with capital letter. In Java, your class name should always start with capital letter. It is a say convention, not compulsion. What if you start with small letter? The code will compile and run, no problem. But we have to follow convention so that the future maintenance of our application will be easy. Okay, so G is capital here. And see the name of this class, greetings. It is in noun form. Yes, Java class names should be in noun form. Another convention. Okay, first convention, it should start with capital letter. Second convention, the class name should be in noun form. I'll give you some valid class name example now. Some examples we'll see. Okay, employee. See, this is also valid class name. It starts with capital letter. You can see capital letter and it is in noun form. Next is student. Okay, starts with capital letter and it is in noun form. Account. Okay, so starts with capital letter. It is in noun form. One more. Savings bank account. This is also valid. It is a little bit different, right? See here. So first letter S is capital. Second word, first letter B is capital. Third word, first letter A is capital. Camel case convention is followed if the class name is a compound word. If class name uses multiple words, then this convention has to be followed. The first letter of every word should start with capital letter. And obviously it has to be in noun form. Okay, these are some valid class names. So let us continue with the coding. Okay, this is just example. I just deleted. Okay. So any doubt? Anybody has any doubt? Anybody doubt? Any doubt? Okay, so let us continue. And I'll write a program here. Public static void main. We should write like this. We will see each and every part of this. Okay, then here this main is there, no? It is called as a method. It is called as what? Method. I'll write like this. String args. Okay. So let us understand what exactly is this. See, this is my class. Okay, I'll just cut it first. This is my class. Okay, this is class body. This is class body. Within the class body, my function is defined. This is my function. In Java, it is called as method. Okay, in Java, functions are called as methods. Then what is this method? It is a named block of code where we implement some functionality. And whenever we want to execute that functionality, we call that method. It executes and we get the result. In our case, we are defining main function, that is main method. This is my main method and this is the body of my main method. Okay, now within this body I'll write output statement, system dot out dot print ln something. I'll write like this and display some message here. What message I'm going to display? Good afternoon. This is the message I'm going to display here. System.out.println. Good afternoon. Okay, this is my method, main method, and it is going to display good afternoon message. Let us understand each and every part of this program. It is a simple program to display good afternoon message. Let us check each and every part of it. I'll be writing it as a part of comment. I'll write here. What is the first word here? Class. Let me write it. Class. Okay. What is this class? It is a keyword. Class is a keyword in Java. Keyword means built-in word, predefined word with specific meaning. In our case, we use this keyword to define our class. To create our class, we use this keyword. It should be written in lowercase letters. Okay. Then what is the next word we have used here? Greetings. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Greetings. Anybody can let me know what is this? Anybody? What is this greetings? It is a class name. What is it? Class name. Okay. Any meaningful class name can be given. Okay. Then come down. We'll see this one. What is this? Whole line called as. Okay. This one. From here to here, what is it called as? Header. Main method, header. Okay, this is called as main method header. Okay, write like this. Okay, I can write like this. Main method header. Okay, the first line of any function is called as header. This is main method header. So it consists of various keywords like public, static, void, etc. Let us learn those keywords. First is public. What exactly it is? It is called as access specifier. What is it called as? Access specifier. What is the role of this public access specifier? Okay, so this public access specifier, makes your main method visible to your JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Our code is executed by JVM software tool. To that JVM, the code should be visible. Okay, if you apply public access specifier to the main method, then main method will be visible to the JVM. Then JVM can run the method. It can run the program. In case if this public is not there, if it is not there, then main method will not be visible to the JVM. When it is not visible, it will not be able to execute it. We will not get any result. So that's why it is always compulsory to declare the main method public, compulsory. It should be in all small letters. Public is in small letters here. Okay, then comes the next one. It is one more keyword. It is called as static. What is the keyword called as? Static. Okay, what is it? It is called as a modifier. Static is a modifier. Okay, so this static modifier makes your main method accessible to the JVM. Public makes main method visible to JVM. Static makes main method accessible to JVM. If static is missing, then main method cannot be accessed by JVM. Execution is not possible. Now the question is, how does the JVM access main method? Let us see that. JVM uses the class name to access the main method. What is the class name? Greetings, right? I'll show you how it accesses. JVM uses the class name, that is greetings, okay, dot followed by the method. What is the method name? Main. Like this, it accesses your main method. This is the command used by JVM to access the main method. And this command will work if and only if this main method is static, like this. If static is not there, then this command will be invalid. It will not be working. Then JVM will not be able to call the main method. Your code will not run. You will get runtime error. So we have to ensure that the main method is always static, compulsory, and it is written in all lowercase letters. Static should be in lowercase letters. Okay, then comes the next one, void. What is the next one? It is called as void. Okay, what exactly it is? Return type. Void is return type of the main method. So the meaning is, this main method upon the execution will not return any value to the JVM. Okay, JVM calls the main method will execute, it will display the output, but main will not return any value to the JVM. That is the meaning of this void. Main will not return any value to the JVM. Okay, then comes the next one, main itself. What is it? Main. What is it? It is method name. Okay, main is method name. And the main method should always be in lowercase letters. See this? All the letters are lowercase letters. M-A-I-N. This void also should be in lowercase letters. So this main is like a built-in method name. You can't change the case. You can't make this M capital. If you make M capital, your code will not run. You will get runtime error. So ensure that the method name is in lowercase letters only. Okay, then we have something here. It is called as a string. Okay, so we'll see what is the string. Before we see the string, anybody has doubt? Any doubt, any questions, any queries, anybody? Are you able to follow me? Any doubts you have? You can message me. Now we'll see this string. Okay, string. It's a built-in class in Java. What is string? Built-in class in Java. Okay, string is a built-in class in Java. See, it starts with capital letter. It starts with capital letter. Just write it as it is. Then comes args. What is this args? What is this args? Hmm? What is this args? Anybody can let me know. It is single dimensional array of string type. Okay, so what is this then? It is called as array. It is little advanced concept. In our classes we'll be studying it in detail. We'll be studying. So args is nothing but array of string class type. It is going to hold values. Okay, we should write it as it is. Then comes the next one. Here you can see system.out.println is written. What is this? What is this system.out.println? It is output statement. What is it? Output statement in Java. To display any message or any result, we use this system.out.println statement. Now, let us see what is system first. What is system? It is a built-in class in Java. What is system? Built-in class. System is a built-in class in Java. See, it also starts with capital letter itself. Okay, all classes start with capital letter. System also starts with capital letter. Then the next one, out. We have out here, no? What is that out? Okay, it's in small letters. Out. Okay, it is member object. Member object of system class. Okay, member object of system class. I'll put static member object. It is static member object of system class. Let us try to understand it now. We have this out now. So this out is inside this system class. If you open up system class, inside you will get this out. Actually, it is called as object. Okay, it is a static object. So as of now, you may not be able to understand the meaning of a static object. So gradually we'll come to know. Understand that out is an object. It is inside system class. Out is some element. It is existing inside the system class. So that much is enough. Then after that, we have something called as println. So anybody knows what is this println? Anybody can let me know what is println? Tell me if you know it. Println is what? What is println? It's a built-in method. Built-in method. Println is a built-in method in Java. You want to display any output, then println method should be used. To display any output, println method should be used. And what is this? Good afternoon. It is a message. Let us take this also. Okay. Right. 1 minute, please. Okay. What is this? Message to be printed. Okay, this message is printed by println method. So these are the different things we have in our Java class. Okay, now let us see the code. What is this? What is this? Greetings class. The selected code is called as class. Greetings class. Okay, what is this? Method. Main method. What is the class name? Greetings. What is the method name? Main. Method means what? Function. Okay, function means what? It's a named block of code where we implement some functionality. And whenever that functionality need to be executed, we just call the method. Method will execute. Okay, the function will execute. This is method body and this is class body. Got it right? And in Java, each and every statement should be terminated with semicolon. That's why I've written semicolon here. It's a statement, one complete instruction, so it has to be terminated by semicolon. This is not statement. This first line is there, no? It is not statement. You're not supposed to put any semicolon here. If you put it, it is wrong. Your code will not compile. You will get compilation error. And this is also not statement. You're not supposed to put semicolon. It is wrong. You will get compilation error. A statement is a complete instruction. So it's a complete instruction. To end that instruction, we use semicolon here. Okay, anybody has any doubt? You can ask me now. Then we will proceed. Any doubt? You can message me. Anybody has doubt? Any doubt? Okay, let us continue. Okay, my code is ready. The program is ready. Okay, now it has to be saved. I need to save this code in computer. Let us do that. I'll just go to file menu. Okay, click on the save option and save this code in some location. Where to save? I'll save it in C drive. We'll go to C drive, create some folder. Okay, say the folder name is Java. Okay, so here I'm going to save it. What is the file name? Okay, so I'll give the name as, what name shall I give? First Java program dot Java. What extension I have given here? File extension dot Java. Each and every Java file should have this extension. Dot Java extension should be there. So don't forget it. Click on the save button. Okay, my code is saved. Let me go there and check it once. I'll check it now whether it is saved properly or not. Okay, go to C drive. So my folder is here, Java, and first Java program .java is saved. It's showing the date modified, type also it is showing. What is the type? Java file. See, it should show like this, Java file. In case if it is showing text file here, the meaning is the file is not saved properly. So it should be Java file like this. My file is saved properly. I can compile and run this code. Let us do that. So to compile and run the code, I need to use command prompt. Is my command prompt open? Yes, command prompt is open. So where I am in command prompt, C drive, you can see C drive, users. So some other location it is showing. We have to change the directory to our Java folder. Okay, as of now, it is in different folder. Let us change it to Java folder. I'll show it to you how it is done. CD double dot, all right. Okay, it came out of one folder. CD double dot. It came out of another folder also. And there is a shortcut, CD backslash also you can enter. So from both the folders, it will come out at a time. Okay, now let us switch to our Java folder like this. CD space Java. We changed our directory to Java. Which one? This one. This one. This one, Java in C drive. Okay, we are in Java folder now. The Java folder has our program. This program is saved in Java folder itself. Now we can compile it. How to compile? Like this, JAVAC. I'm calling my Java compiler and just specify the file name. What file name I have given? What is the file name given? First Java program, right? Okay, same thing should be specified here. First Java program dot Java. Extension has to be given. Okay, Java C space first Java program dot Java extension. Enter. See, the code is compiled. My code is compiled. Let me show you the compiled file. See here. Where is that? It's here. See this. Can you see here? Greetings.class is shown. Okay, it's a class file. I created initially .java file. On compiling that .java file, I got .class file. Okay, what is the extension of original Java file? .java. What is the extension of compiled Java file? .class. So once after you compile your Java source code, you will be getting .class file like this. Now the question is why the file name is different? So original file name is first Java program .java. The class file name is greetings.class. Why is it so? Let us understand it. Okay, come to the code. What is the class I have here? Greetings. This is a class I have here. Okay, when we compile any Java program, it compiles classes present in that program. Here I have only one class. It's called as greetings. So Java compiler compiled this class. It compiled this class to bytecode. Okay, that's why it has given the class name itself to the file. The class name is greetings. Okay, class file name is also greetings itself. That's why it has given greetings.class. Now assume that in the same file you have one more class also. Possible, we can have multiple classes in the same file like this. Class, say A, B, C, D. This is my class name. How many classes I have in my file? Two. This is my first class and this is my second class. So when I compile this program node, two dot class files will be generated. The first dot class file will be greetings, greetings.class. The second dot class file will be abcd dot class. Let me show it to you. I'll save it. It is saved. Now compile it. Recompilation, I'm doing it. Okay, recompilation is done. Let's go back to the folder and check it. So can you see here two dot class files are created. This is the first one, greetings.class. This is the second one, abcd.class. I compiled how many files? Only one file. First Java program file. Upon the compilation, two dot class files are generated. The first one, greetings.class. It is for that greetings class only. And the second one is for ABCD class. So that's why the name of the file is also ABCD itself. Means if you have one class in your file, one dot class file will be generated. If you have two classes in your file, two dot class files will be generated. If you have 10 classes in your file, 10 dot class files will be generated. So how many dot class files are generated depends on how many classes you have in your file. Okay, so this was just for the sake of demonstration. We do not need to have this ABCD class. I just delete it. Let us keep only greetings class. Okay, that's enough for us. From here also I'll delete it. Not required, but greetings is required. Let us run this greetings program. How to run it? Okay, so if you know, can you let me know how to run it? Anybody? Like this, Java followed by the class name should be specified. What is the class name? Greetings. This is the class name. You have to specify the class name like this, Java space, greetings, enter. See the message. You get the message. Good afternoon is displayed here. So the code is working now. I could compile, I could run also this program. So it is working. Good afternoon message is displayed. Okay. What if I want to make some changes to the program? We can do that, not a problem. So just come to the source code. Okay. I'll change the message. Instead of good afternoon this time, we go for welcome students. This is the message. Save it now. Control, yes, the code is saved. Now, I should recompile this program or directly I can run it. What is your opinion? Tell me. What is your answer? I should recompile the program or run the code as it is. What do you think? The source code is modified. Okay, what do you think? Should I recompile the program? If yes, message yes. Otherwise, you can message no. I'll wait for your answer. No answer? Okay, I'll tell you. So it has to be recompiled. Whenever your program is modified, you have to save it first, thereafter recompile. So I should recompile it. So let me recompile. Okay, how do we recompile Java C? The file name should be given. First, Java program dot Java should be entered like this. See, the compilation is done. Now run it. Java followed by the class name. To execute the program, class name should be used. What is the class name? Greetings is the class name. Okay, to run the to compile the program, file name should be used. To run the program, class name should be used. Okay, let me give the class name. Greetings. No extension required. You should not even write dot class. No, when we run the program, extension should not be used. Just write Java greetings, enter. Welcome students is displayed here. Got it, right? So we could modify the source code also. Modify the source code, save the file, then recompile it. Recompilation is required. Okay, some message I got here. Okay, so anybody has doubt now? Any doubts you have, you can ask me. Anybody has doubt? Any doubt? No doubt? Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us end the session. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, so thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So,
Okay.
students, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have a session. So, Monday we'll meet again. Okay. Thank you.